Hi, everybody. I'm Teddy Raskin, and welcome to Domopalooza's Return to Live, where we're sharing how KOACORE and Domo allowed the show to go on in 2021 during the heat of COVID. My name is Teddy. I'm the founder and CEO of KOACORE. We have two business lines, an event managed service business that we're going to focus on today, and a supply chain business as well. Both of those businesses run completely with the support of Domo's amazing software that have helped transform our business from commodities and vendor services into full stop prescriptive analytic shops, digital data dashboarding shops, and actual partners to our clients on the service front versus simply being a vendor partner. A little bit more about myself. I'm a live events fanatic, started falling in love with events at a young age, started my own festival at Vanderbilt University when I was 20 that we still run called Lights on the Lawn. And when I was at Ticketmaster as a young analyst, I had my first Domo experience. So became a data obsessive and a disciple of Domo, so to speak, working in lockstep with two groups at Ticketmaster, the segment performance team, which is like an in-house kind of consulting team that came out of McKinsey largely, and the data and analytics team at Ticketmaster. And the group was supposed to be one group head, one MD, and three analysts. And it ended up being one group head, three MDs, and one lowly analyst. So I was responsible for probably way more than I could chew. And I had the blessing of working with one of the lead engineers, Carlo, on the Ticketmaster team on building out a lot of these protocols. So huge thank you to Carlo for the time we spent together. When I was there, I really understood how enterprise companies with brilliant minds above me were using Domo to transform their own businesses. My boss, Brendan, at the time, asked me to build these dashboards so he could see what was going on from not only a revenue and a profit standpoint, but actual visualization tools that we could start flipping levers across the business from marketing to sales to inventory. And I thought to myself, if I'm lucky enough to have my own business one day, this is the future. This is how we're going to actually show our services,